Pieters, who spoke with Nightly News via telephone on Wednesday, explained his rationale for joining the two cases, that of the Police Service Commission with that of the Fiscal Management Accountability Act matter, which is also before the court and which was filed by Opposition Member of Parliament Ganesh Mahipal.
The Commission's involvement in the Mahipal matter was the consequence of the Commission's need for and the government's failure to provide financial means for the Commission to defend itself in court against the application of Senior Superintendent of Police Fazil Karimbash, which in turn emerged out of disciplinary proceedings initiated against the said Senior Superintendent following allegations of sexual harassment.
Senior Superintendent of Police Fazil Karimbash has had several allegations of rape leveled against him while serving in various capacities within the Guyana Police Force, for which he was disciplined by the Police Service Commission, which is chaired by Paul Slow, former Deputy Commissioner of Police. Karimbash in turn filed a fixed date application in November 2020, inclusive of an order of certiorari seeking to quash the orders levied against him, while also seeking to prohibit the Commission from taking further disciplinary actions against him. Initially, the Attorney General's chambers filed a defense with regard to the matter, but that defense was subsequently withdrawn days before the matter was expected to be called up for a hearing. It is alleged that the Ministry of Finance also denied the Commission funding to seek external legal representation in the matter, and thus the joining of the two cases by the attorney.
They withdrew their defense and provided no funding for the Commission, so in effect, Karimbash's case would have been without a defense, and the Commission had to use its own in-house counsel.
Pieters opined that joining the two matters does not create a conflict of interest, nor does it portray a particular bias, noting that amendments to the Fiscal Management Accountability Act as well as the Appropriation Act of 2021 has had a direct impact on the budgetary allocation of the Commission. The attorney-at-law alleges that the government of the day is seeking to frustrate the work of the Commission, while at the same time seeking to have its way in promoting several officers in the Guyana Police Force, inclusive of Fazil Karimbash, a claim the chairman of the Commission, Paul Slow, recently leveled against the President, Irfan Ali, at a press conference. The Police Service Commission is an independent body with its mandate and functions enshrined in the Constitution of Guyana. Pieters is also alleging that since the life of the board of the Police Service Commission is due to expire in August 2021, the government is using a stall tactic to have its members removed so that it may install its own candidates.
This sort of conduct by the government compromises and challenges the independence of a service commission to run its own affairs in an independent manner. So that is the reason the government saw an application joined with the Mahipal matter from the Police Service Commission.
Wendell Badrie, HGP Nightly News.